Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to use the feature of Cref, also known as character reference, into Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create Cref feature into your Midjourney, you just simply have to open your Discord application at first, and after that just simply open this Midjourney bot. Then after opening Midjourney bot, in order to use the Cref feature, you just simply have to copy the link of the picture which you want to use as the reference. In my case, I'm using this picture of Keanu Reeves as my reference, and I have already copied the link of the picture into my clipboard. You should also copy the link of the picture who you want to use as the reference already. Then after that, just simply go to the message section and type command imagine, and then enter your prompt at first. Then after writing down your prompt, you just simply have to give a space and type double dash into here and type CREF, meaning character reference. Then after that, paste the image link that you have copied into your clipboard and then click to send button. Then Midjourney will start its work and you will get the result in a while. And then it will create your CREF image into Midjourney. Just simply wait a bit. As you can see here, Midjourney has already created some pictures for me. This way, you can also use Cref feature into your Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.